What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is going to be an 8K video showcase. And right now I'm using the Galaxy S21 Ultra. I'm doing 8K on this phone, but I am going to use the same microphone with all these phones, which is gonna end up being the Rode Video Micro USB-C microphone. I'll list it down below if you want to pick it up. I think it sounds great. And I have a wind muff on it as well. But anyways, I have this phone. I have this pretty far back, so I'm hoping this can ultimately see me because I noticed 8K really crops in, at least on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do the same test, talk a little bit, walk around. That way you get an idea of how stable or unstable 8K video is on these phones overall. So again, S21 Ultra. It's pretty sunny out here, so if I'm squinting, that is obviously why. But let me switch over now to the OnePlus 9 Pro. And now here's 8K on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Again, same microphone, so if it should sound the same theoretically because I am using the same microphone. But I feel like this video on the OnePlus 9 Pro, when I just looked at it briefly, wasn't as cropped in as the Samsung one, but I'll be curious which one looks better overall because of the fact that both phones, I guess, are kind of known for their cameras, maybe Samsung more so, but OnePlus really in their marketing really pushes their cameras, and 8K video is no joke, especially file sizes. 8K video file sizes are ridiculous. They're so big. I'll put the file sizes on here, and obviously the length of the video is not even going to be that long, but the file sizes should be pretty ridiculous, especially when you compare it to 1080 or 4K. But yeah, here's 8K on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Let me know if you like it. Now here we go with the OnePlus 9. It's the regular plain old OnePlus 9 doing 8K video. And without a doubt, I checked again, the crop level on the Samsung phones versus the OnePlus 9 is way more on the Samsung phones, ridiculously more, to the point where I don't know, it's way too cropped in on the Samsungs, and I don't know. Again, I'll look at this on a bigger screen to see which one I like better, and then at the end of the video I'll tell you which one I personally like better. But it's kind of interesting to see. Also, you can see me talking, right now, and I'm walking around with the OnePlus 9. I have done that on the other phones as well, but what I'm going to do after this, I'm going to do some scenery shots, meaning I'll maybe walk around and show off some flowers and grass and things like that, so you can see how it would look in 8K as well, almost cinematic stuff. But what do you guys think so far? Which one looks the best? Just point it at me. All right, that was super surprising, utterly surprising what I actually found, at least on my little simplistic video of 8K video with the OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Ultimately, if I had to pick OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro, I love that it's not so cropped in. The S21 Ultra is just way, way, way too cropped in. To the point where if you had it on a selfie stick like I do right now, it's like, I don't know, you'd have to have like the longest selfie stick in the world. At points, you know, when I was just standing there walking around, the Galaxy S21 Ultra footage was just way too cropped in, like, and it was looking at, you know, it just was way too much. Also, the quality of the video, it wasn't bad, but like when I was doing the cinematic stuff where I was showing the plants and stuff, it was kind of whitewashed out, and I didn't like the way it looked. And I know the lens was clean. I washed it before I used it, and then also you could tell by when I was talking in the camera, it didn't look super washed out. So third place, Galaxy S21 Ultra. Very surprising. I actually thought that one was going to win. Now it comes down to the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. I think the big difference with these ones was that the OnePlus 9, the color temperature was more cool, and the OnePlus 9 Pro was warmer, like more orangish looking. To me, I like the color of the OnePlus 9. And then also just looking, I really noticed it with my hat. I felt like my hat overall was crisper and better looking on the OnePlus 9 versus the 9 Pro. So I have to give the win to the OnePlus 9 regular version. I'm like super shocked. I thought that one would come in third just because it's the cheapest, the least expensive, and it doesn't supposedly, quote unquote, have the best cameras out of the three. But to me, I thought it did. I mean, don't get me wrong, I think the OnePlus 9 Pro is pretty much right there with it. But yeah, I don't know what you guys, let me know what you think. You think I'm completely wrong? What would you have put in order of those in that little simplistic test that I had? And also remember, if you want to pick up this microphone that I'm using, it's linked down below, or any of these phones, OnePlus 9, 9 Pro, or the S21 Ultra. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.